gentlemen, we will be taking off shortly. Please ensure that your seatbelt is fastened, your seat back is upright, your tray table is stowed, your window shade is opened, and do not use the lavatory during this time. Thank you.
女士们、先生们，我们的飞机即将起飞，请您系好安全带，收起小桌板，竖直椅背，并将遮关板打开。同时，请不要使用洗手间，谢谢。
Ah, yes, of course. I can't be holding this by the entire trip. All the complaints. Nothing was right. Everything was bad. It's still filming, yes. Oh, it's looking beautiful. This
I can help later.
When she's not looking, we put it back. So beautiful.
Yeah.
The airport is so beautiful too.
It's a huge one. Very huge.
Very huge. Amazing.
Yeah.
And you have family?
Yes. In Chiang Mai.
Many kids?
2,
How old?
25.
Really?
I mean,
No.
that young.
Look younger than 25. Should have 25.
They're already
And what do you work with?
in the university.
Like teacher?
Yeah.
Nice. What's the project?
How about you?
I'm engineer.
Oh,
Machine engineer.
okay. So very close.
Oh, really?
I teach engineer sometime.
That's great.
I teach physics.
I love physics.
Really?
Mhm.
Okay. So give me some equations.
I love physics a lot. My favorite is thermodynamics. That part.
Yeah. Physics is a
Physics.
phenomenon.
It's amazing. And math is very good too. I am machine engineer and he's computer engineer.
The right one. Good. You can make a company.
And your kids?
Engineer.
Good.
Electrical engineer.
Is it a lot of jobs here for engineers? No.
But however, there's some government business that he luckily get to do it.
What is that?
They like to construct a new departure hall.
The construction unit.
Yeah, maybe domestic one because the old one is international departure.
But Thailand is so developed. I thought there were a lot of jobs for engineers.
Engineer maybe because so many construction or many something. But by the way, now it's open between Asian country, so you can walk past by and you can get high by anyone here. So,
Today I was in the university here. We drive through the university like a shortcut.
oh yeah,
In the taxi driver.
there's so many university in Bangkok.
Which one is the one you work? Is the big one?
The big one is Chulalongkorn. They also have the medical medicine university, example like Mahidol University. And the one that you pass by, probably the Lat Krabang University, that really engineering university.
Yeah, I saw
Around here.
architecture.
Yeah,
Architecture house there.
yeah.
So probably it was. It was very nice to see, very beautiful.
Yeah, look at the view.
It will be so amazing.
Ooh. It's check. Okay, we direct to the Gulf, to the ocean, to the sea.
Oh, we will see the sea too.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my god.
So we have to cross. If you can see the map, it will be like this.
Wow.
Now we will cross to the Gulf, Thai Gulf, and direct to the Phuket down there. And then Phuket,
Where?
here,
Here?
very little, very tiny.
Ah, there is Phuket.
Yeah.
There I'm going. In your city?
My city is here, is Phang-nga, you see, Phang-nga province.
Bangga.
And my hometown is around there.
Ah, very close to the airport.
The name is Hope Roy.
You have the beach there.
Yeah, yeah, because I live here. Yeah, Time Lang. So it's very close to the beach, and that's why I said it's very quiet place, very nice.
And
I
how
like
long
it.
time from the airport? How do you go from the airport?
It's 1 hour.
By car?
Yeah, only 1 hour because the airport is here, and then you cross back here, and then to my hometown.
But you're going by car?
Yeah, my cousin will pick me. My family, my father and mother still there, so just visit them.
How long do we stay here?
4 days.
Really?
It's short. It just I can get off. I can get off from the university for a short time.
But you are now on holidays, no? From the water festival?
No. Sorry, I live to work in Chiang Mai for many, a few 10 years already. But every year I will return to my.
So you don't live in Bangkok? I thought
No.
You live in China?
I live in Chiang Mai. But today I stopped by Bangkok because I have a meeting in Bangkok.
Chiang Mai.
Chiang Mai is the
okay.
north. I can show you again. So here Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai is here. Chiang Mai.
Is it big?
Yeah.
Chiang Mai.
So that's why the Bangkok is halfway between Phuket and Chiang Mai. So when I return directly from Phuket to Chiang Mai.
You took a flight, you had a meeting
Yeah.
in Bangkok,
Yeah.
and now you're going
Yeah.
to Phuket.
Yeah.
I see. Wow, look at this sky.
Alright. I hurt my head and now.
But now